So when you read the questions, they say the number of letter discrete, correct? Discrete, the number of letter discrete random variable. Kalau tengok quantity tu jenis discrete. So discrete you have two type of distribution, whether binomial or Poisson. Then you continue read your sentence, whether it's talking probability or whether it's talking average. So if you're talking about average, it will be Poisson. So this question is fine. They state clearly Poisson distributed with mean 7 letter. And one thing you have to concern about Poisson is your range or your interval, your time frame. So this one mean is for 7 a day. So when you change your time frame situation, your distribution will be changed. Alright, so a day. So find the probability for tomorrow, no letter will arrive, then at least 2, and then fewer than 5. So for the first step, we write out the distribution first. What's your x? What's your distribution? So x is the number of letters that arriving a particular address daily, or you want to make it short, the number of letters arrive in one day. So this x is distributed Poisson one day with lambda mean 7. So notice here 7. They will give you in words. You have to change it to mathematical term. So this one is for a day. So for the question A, is it still considered a day? So for this question, yes, because they find for probability for tomorrow. So tomorrow is considered a day. Alright, it's not considered for a week. A week lain lah, lambda dia lain. So consider for tomorrow a day. No letter will be coming. So x will be equal to 0 because x is a quantity about number of letter. So x equals to 0. This one we can choose. You want to use formula or you want to use table also can. So if you use formula, it will be e negative lambda, which is 7. 7 power to the question 0, then 0 factorial. So this is formula. Well, how about if we want to find table? The working will be x greater than 0 minus x greater equals to 1. So we are going to find from the table which is your lambda 7. So lambda 7 will be 4 on 13. Lambda 7, this page. Bahagian sini. So what do you want to read? You will read for 0 and 1. 0 is 1, 1 is 991. So jawapan dia sama lah. Tapi kalau guna formula, mesti lebih 3 significant figures. Okay. So for the second question, B. The question said how many letters here? At least. How we write the symbol for at least? More than equal. At least 2 letters. Which one you prefer, table or formula? Table, because table can read directly. So I prefer table, read directly for reading 2. Reading 2. It will be 9927. Then question C. How many letters now? Fewer than 5. So x fewer means less than 5. Formula or table? Table. The formula will be quite troublesome. You need to calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, quite a lot of calculating. So why not just table? Table, it will be 1 minus 5 onwards. then we can get less than 5. So 1 minus reading of 5, 8270.